Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send Litecoin from your Gemini exchange to your Arculus wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this step-by-step guide will help you move your assets securely and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or just brushing up, let's dive right in. It's easier than you think. First off, why do this? Gemini is a reliable exchange for buying and storing Litecoin, but for better control and security, transferring to a hardware wallet like Arculus is a smart move. Before we start, ensure you have your Gemini account verified, your Arculus wallet set up, and your Litecoin ready to go. Oh, and always double-check network fees to avoid surprises. Step 1. Log into your Gemini account. Head over to the dashboard and locate your Litecoin balance. Click on it to access the withdrawal options. Step 2. Select Withdraw for Litecoin. You'll see a form pop up. Enter the amount you want to send. Remember, Litecoin uses the Lieutenant Kernel network, so make sure that's selected to avoid any errors. Step 3. Now, input your Arculus wallet address. This is crucial. Copy it directly from your Arculus app to prevent typos. Gemini might ask for a 2FA code, so have that handy for added security. Step 4. Review the transaction details, including fees and the final amount. Once you're confident, hit Confirm, and wait for the network to process it. This usually takes a few minutes, but it can vary based on network congestion in 2025. Step 5. Jump over to your Arculus wallet app and refresh it. You should see your Litecoin arriving shortly. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Just give it some time and check your transaction history on a blockchain explorer. A quick tip: always start with a small test transfer to ensure everything works smoothly. And if you run into issues, like delayed confirmations, reach out to Gemini or Arculus support. They're there to help. There you have it, folks. You've just sent Litecoin from Gemini to Arculus wallet like a pro. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.